A car jump starter provides emergency power, quickly restarts dead batteries, and ensures roadside reliability. Today's video is about top 5 best car jump starter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joltekon car jump starter. This 8-in-1 car battery jump starter is a powerful and versatile emergency tool that goes far beyond a traditional jump box. With a 4500 A peak current and force start function, it can quickly revive completely drained batteries in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more, even in extreme temperatures. The built-in 150 psi air compressor is a major convenience, offering fast tire inflation with multiple modes, nozzles, and automatic shutoff for added safety. It also works as a portable power bank, keeping phones and other USB-C devices charged during emergencies. The 500 lumen emergency lighting system with flashlight, SOS, and warning modes provides excellent visibility at night or during roadside situations. With a smart display, durable fireproof construction, and 10 safety protections, it offers reliable performance and peace of mind. Compact yet packed with features, this jump starter is an essential companion for road trips, daily driving, and unexpected roadside emergencies. Now our second product is Zevzo car jump starter. The Zevzo ET03 car battery jump starter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool designed to handle unexpected battery failures. With a 4000 A peak current, it can quickly start 12V vehicles with up to 8.0L gas or 7.0L diesel engines, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. Its force start function allows it to revive even completely dead 0V batteries when properly charged. Beyond jump starting, it works as a 74Wh portable power bank with dual USB outputs, making it convenient for charging phones and other devices during travel. The built-in 500 lumen LED flashlight offers stable, strobe, and SOS modes for nighttime repairs and emergencies. An LCD display keeps you informed of battery status, while 10 intelligent safety protections help prevent common electrical issues. With a durable case, smart jumper cables, long standby time, and a 2-year service guarantee, this jump starter is a dependable companion for everyday driving and road trips. Our third product is Wolfbox car jump starter. The Megavolt 24 car jump starter is a powerful and dependable emergency device designed for drivers who want reliable backup on the road. Equipped with a 4000 A peak current and 88.8 Wh battery capacity, it can quickly restore power to 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, boats, and larger vehicles with gasoline or diesel engines under 10 liters. The HD LCD display makes it easy to monitor battery status and operating information at a glance. Its 65W USB-C fast charging capability is a major advantage, allowing quick recharging of the unit while also powering phones, laptops, tablets, and other devices. The one-touch boost function simplifies jump-starting in low-voltage situations, while the built-in LED flashlight with SOS, strobe, and high beam modes adds valuable emergency support. With IP64 protection, wide temperature resistance, and multiple safety certifications, this jump starter offers strong performance and peace of mind for travel, camping, and everyday driving. Now number 4, Trekure car jump starter. The TK60 car jump starter is a compact yet powerful emergency tool that delivers impressive performance when you need it most. With a 5000 A peak current and force start technology, it can quickly revive vehicles with completely drained 0V batteries, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. The built-in magnetic full-panel LED light is a standout feature, providing hands-free illumination with multiple modes including SOS and red strobe for roadside emergencies or outdoor activities. Beyond jump starting, it functions as a portable power bank for charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. Safety is well covered with V0 fireproof materials, a shock-resistant design, and 10 intelligent protections against issues like reverse polarity, overheating, and short circuits. Weighing only 0.8 pounds with a convenient detachable carry loop, it is easy to store and transport. Overall, this lightweight, durable, and feature-packed jump starter is an excellent companion for everyday driving and unexpected emergencies. And our last choice is YaberAuto car jump starter. The YaberAuto AP029-in-1 car jump starter is a versatile emergency kit that combines multiple essential roadside tools into one compact device. With a powerful 5000 A peak current and force start function, it can quickly revive dead batteries in vehicles with up to 9.0L gas or 8.0L diesel engines, even in extreme temperatures. The built-in 150 psi air compressor is highly convenient, offering fast tire inflation with preset pressure, automatic shutoff, multiple modes, and nozzle options. It also works as a power bank, keeping devices charged while traveling. The 800 lumen emergency lighting system with flashlight, SOS, and warning modes provides excellent visibility during nighttime repairs or roadside situations. Safety features are impressive, including 10 protection systems, a fireproof battery, durable casing, and included 400V insulated gloves. With a carrying case, long standby time, and comprehensive accessories, this jumpstarter is a reliable all-in-one solution for emergencies, road trips, camping, and everyday driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.